that the groups survive and self-replicate and truly operate on their own within a year or so. So that's great. The quote on the PowerPoint. Do you mean, Sarah, do you mean the quote saying sharing information? All the FAs have the responsibility? If you do, if that's the one you mean, that comes from the suggested principles and the implementation guidelines, which you will see on the principles on the SEEP site, and we're going to be giving you that address if you don't already have it. Jeff, that's great. And then the question is, how do we measure that? And I just throw this question back to you. I agree, you know, if groups survive and self-replicate and truly operate on their own, there are issues about how do you measure that and how do you build that into project budgets, but great. How can we make sure that donors have the same objectives as us? And I think we need to talk very frankly with donors. You see, donors, I mean, the thing about donors is everybody's, you know, a little bit afraid of donors sometimes, but donors want to do good programs and they want to have quality groups. And sometimes they might need our guidance about how to measure and create quality, you know, so I think it, you know, how do we make sure that they have the same donors? The same way you make sure of anything, you just sit down and discuss and work together as part of the same team. Sarah, yes. Well, okay, so the quote is from the principles document. Gabrielle, can you specify the consumer protection issues? Yeah, well, the consumer protection issues are essentially people losing their money or in other ways being hurt or exploited.